Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Mic testing.
हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो. ओके. कानात राहू द्या. आलं चालतं. माईक बंद राहते का? माईक बंद राहते का सर? हॅलो सर, माईक बंद राहून देऊ बोलू की माईक?
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Okay. Thank you. I pay my humble tribute to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and founder president of our society, Dr. Panjabrao alias Bhausaheb Deshmukh. I welcome all the dignitaries on and off the dais, also the students from various departments for the guest lecture organized by Department of Life Sciences in collaboration with IQAC, RAC, and ECEL, Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. Actually, we have grabbed the opportunity to receive valuable guidance from the well-known personality in the field of life sciences, Dr. Krishnendu Acharya, sir, Professor and Head, University of Calcutta. I request Dr. P.S. Kokate, Madam, Professor and Head, Department of Botany, to welcome Chairperson, Principal Dr. A.L. Kulet, sir, by offering bouquet. Please, ma'am. I request Principal Dr. A.L. Kulet, sir, to welcome Chief Guest and Resource Person Dr. Acharya, sir, by offering bouquet. Please, sir. I invite Dr. H.P. Sapka, sir, Professor, Department of Zoology, to welcome Guest of Honor Dr. T.B. Wankade, sir, Professor and Head, Department of Botany, J.D. Patil Sangulkar College, Daryapur. Please, sir. I request Dr. V.S. Patil, Madam, to welcome Dr. H.G. Shende, sir. Please, ma'am. I also invite Dr. S.N. Zodbe, Madam, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Microbiology, to welcome Dr. Kokate, Madam. Please, ma'am. Now, I request Dr. D.K. Koche, sir, Professor, Department of Botany, to introduce the guest, Dr. Acharya, sir, and Dr. Vankade, sir, to the audience. Please, sir. A very good afternoon to one and all. Honorable Dais. Today we are gathered here for the guest lecture of Dr. Krishnendu Acharya, sir, one of the well-known teacher and scientist from India. Uh, Actually, we had grabbed this opportunity to hear or to interact with this persona. and I'm going to introduce this huge persona basically. The स्टूडेंट्स जो पीजी के हैं थोड़ा सा ध्यान देके सुने कि किस तरह से बायोडाटा रीड किया जा रहा है. डॉक्टर आचार्य सर इज in botany, MTech in biotechnology, and currently working as professor and head University of Calcutta. Okay, his research interests are macrofungal diversity and medicinal perspectives, innate immunity in plants, and micro nanotechnology. It is the diverse area basically. He has guided around 19 PhD students, 19 PhD students awarded, and 8 are registered. He has around 25 years of the research experience and published more than 465 research papers and authored 10 books and have 3 patents to his credit and 2 in pipeline. His total Scopus citation is 8,634. Scopus H index is 48. I10 index is 193. Google Scholar citation is 11,887. H index 55 and I10 is 246. I think ResearchGate is more than 12,800 something. I had seen yesterday. Sir has numerous recognition. Dr. Acharya sir has enlisted in the Stanford University list world's top 2% scientists in 2022-23, and recently also he is in that particular list. And one important thing is that not only sir's student, one of the finest students, Dr. Somanjana Katua, he is also appeared in this list. So you can see the vision of the persona who is doing this particular work. He is awarded Scientist of the Year in 2019. He is Fellow of West Bengal Academy of Science and Technology, Fellow of Linnean Society of London, then Fellow of Indian Mycological Society, Fellow of International College of Nutrition, Canada, then Fellow of Mycological Society of India. Sir Eden John Butler Memorial Award is there. Then again, next one is Patel Memorial Award. Again, Global Achievement Award in the field of Phylosphere Biology, and Professor K. Natarajan Memorial Award. So there are n number of awards are there to Dr. Acharya sir. Apart from this, Acharya sir is the academic editor of Plus One journal. Those who are the basically research students, they may came across this one. It is the top ranked journal. He is associate editor to many journals, Journal of Environment and Sociobiology. He has also participated as a resource person in different national and international conferences and seminars. He is also a reviewer of different reputed journals and published by various databases like Elsewhere, Springer, Nature, Publishing Group, etc. So we are very much fortunate to have Dr. Acharya among us, and today we are going to interact with this huge persona. Now another guest we are having, guest of honor, Dr. T.V. Wankede sir. He is having around more than 20 years of teaching experience and currently working as professor and head Department of Botany at J.D. Patil Sangarutkar Mahavidyalaya, Daryapur. Basically, Department of Botany have invited Dr. Wankede sir for a pre-PhD open defense viva today, because after that we are going to conduct this viva also. So I welcome both these personas, Dr. Acharya sir and Dr. Wankede sir, on behalf of my department and my college, and I conclude here. Thank you very much, sir. Now, I would like to have the chance to invite Chief Guest and Resource Person, Dr. Krishnendu Acharya sir, for his talk. Please, sir.
Respected, am I audible? Uh, Principal sir, respected my good friend Tushar sir, and all the colleagues, and most beloved students. Very good afternoon to all of you. So, okay. Uh, Whatever the biodata right now talk about me, that is nothing for the student. I have done all these things to get this platform. Without biodata, nobody can ask me. You come and deliver it up. Okay. So biodata to get this platform. But today I would like to share something unique. That during COVID time, I have tried to translate my thoughts to the societal level, to stand behind these people. And I have made more than 1,600 family to become entrepreneur. Now they become self-sustainable. I would like to share some part of that journey based on your area of knowledge and area of interest. How I have made this journey, how I have reached to the people. So my talk is on we are all in under a box. Okay? We have certain thinking, we have certain knowledge, we are under the box. So my talk is on think outside the box. आपका जो बॉक्स में है उससे बाहर देखिए think outside the box. Be a entrepreneur. So think outside the box. Be a entrepreneur. Okay. As a teacher, when we face our young minds in the class, every time we have anxiety in our mind that nowadays all of you know next okay the condition of global economy it's gradually sinking. Okay, everybody acquainted with the term recession. Am I right? Recession. Few months back, some more industry sacks the job of some people, so recession. And another thing, we are regularly habituated to see in the newspaper one lady or one person taking some luggage in their head and carrying a small baby either in the road or in the rail track. And everybody blaming everybody. So standing in this particular time, I have tried to reach to the people. And when we enter into the classroom, when we see behind the mirror the future myself, then always ask, what? If you ask us this question, sir, इसके बाद क्या? सर बीएससी तो सर किए हैं इसके बाद क्या? सर मास्टर भी तो किए हैं इसके बाद क्या? It's a very difficult task for the teachers. So, what I think that everybody have power, they can translate their thought into different angle. Okay. So, ज़्यादा भी देखो और ठीक है ना ज़्यादा okay. So, what we try to do, we try to translate. Suppose we are in a job, we can feed our family. If we can feed the job, so we can feed so many people. So what I want to share here within your subject, suppose you are going to sell a product in the market. Okay. like other company. That product is rich in protein, rich in vitamin, rich in minerals, and that contain huge amount of fiber. Again, fiber are of two types. One is soluble fiber, another one is insoluble fiber. You can see the advertisement of fiber in the TV channels. Nowadays, you will see that Horlicks having the fiber list. Don't think about sugar. They are asking, do you know that dietary supplement have fiber? So fibers become the nutrition. Okay? They are juggling with the thoughts of the people. जो guys ने बेचना है. Okay? So they are rich in fiber. Fiber is of two types, insoluble fiber and soluble. Insoluble fiber rich product is a good diet for diabetic person. Soluble fiber is a good diet for diabetic person. It can decrease cholesterol level. It can protect your heart from GAD, coronary artery diseases. And insoluble fiber is a good diet for the obese people. It improves peristaltic and it decreases the obesity because it gives less room for fat. And that particular material product have huge amount, very low amount of fat. Whatever that product fat is of omega-3 fatty acid. Okay, so that's a product. Not only that, if that product contains strong antioxidant, now you know the meaning of that antioxidant. That you just name any disease, for that disease, the clinical part for that disease is a theoretical generation. So nowadays people are looking for antioxidant, natural antioxidant. Some of that products rich in antioxidant. They are hepatoprotective. It controls your hepatic damage against the gastric ulcer. Then cardioprotective. Immunomodulator, anti-cancer activity, antiviral activity, antibacterial activity, anti-parasitic activity, if you have a product. So how much help will provide for this product? Just ask yourself. ये प्रोडक्ट को बेचने के लिए और आपको लेने के लिए कितना पैसा देना चाहिए? At least 3-4. अभी also advertise बेच रहा है 5,000 bottle, no? So 3,000 to 5,000 rupees. Okay. If I tell this is mushroom, oh mushroom, I can tell you. Just take 50 grams of mushroom in your daily diet. Whatever I tell you, all the effects you will get. Within 1 year, your family will be free from any disease. Is your husband. You will take mushroom or you will not take mushroom. Okay? So don't sell mushroom. Madam talked about mushroom. Don't sell mushroom as a vegetable. We always try to sell mushroom as a vegetable. It's not a vegetable, it's a product. I made 300 women to become entrepreneurs from mushroom cultivation. But I never tell them to sell mushroom as a vegetable. You sell that mushroom as a product because of these characters. Okay? You can Google me, you will get more than 170 publications on mushroom. Okay? So, you just name any disease, mushroom has the capacity to fight against all these diseases. Hippocrates told that let food be thy medicine, medicine be thy food. Now we convert it, let food be the poison, poison be the food. Scenario has been changed. बाजार में 5 वेजिटेबल बोल सकते हो जिसमें कोई poison नहीं है. Can you get 5 vegetables without any poison? आप प्रिंसिपल सर कुछ टाइम पहले बोले थे. हम लोग बाजार जाते थे मंडी में पैसा लेके चुन के पॉइजन खरीद लेके आते हैं. We never buy any vegetable. हम लोग चुन के पॉइजन लेके आते हैं. जो दिखने में बहुत अच्छा है उसमें ज्यादा पॉइजन. लेके घर में उसको अच्छा से पका दे, क्योंकि मेरे पास एक टेस्ट एनिमल है, मेरा बेबी, जिसको मॉर्निंग में 1 टीस्पून पॉइजन खिलाते हैं, इवनिंग में 1 टीस्पून पॉइजन खिलाते हैं, देखते हैं उसका सर्वाइवल रेट कितना है, उसका एंटीऑक्सीडेंट कैपेसिटी कितना है, वो कितना जल्दी कितना हो सकता है। That's the scenario. We have to come out from that scenario. Tomorrow I will talk about how I have made the farmers to become scientists in our university. Okay? Tomorrow talk is on how of a bigger of land development. So what I tell is the seed, it has all these things, rich in protein, vitamins, and you just name any disease, it can fight against that disease. Okay, so Chinese people in traditional Chinese medicine even define mushroom as without leaves, without bark, without fruits, without flower, yet they form foods as a food, as a tonic, as a medicine. The entire creature is precious. Okay. And how many fungi still you will get in nature? So one interesting prediction made by Oxford, you know, the living legend in the field of taxonomy, and he predicted that there is an ample chance of getting around 35 lakhs to 51 lakh fungi in this planet, and up till now we have discovered and destroyed only 1.65 lakh. So only 3% of the total population till today described. So as a biologist, just go outside, collect some mushroom, you just see, you may make some new mushroom. And you may say, what's the meaning of getting a new one? आप लोग तो समझते हैं ना, वो जाना है, एक मशरूम ढूंढ के लेना है, उसको ऊपर काम करना है, उसके बाद एक न्यू बताएंगे उसमें फायदा क्या है. Science are two types, no? One is classical science, another one is so-called modern science, no? But to me, science are of two types. One is mortal science, another one is immortal science. Okay? Can I explain that thing? Suppose everybody heard the term that R&D. Isn't it R&D is fantastic? In 1992, RFPD recognized one of the greatest discovery and they published paper Nature and Science journal. Okay, Alex Dockley, Southern. Okay, and in 30 years, right now, if you want to work on RFPD, you can publish that journal in a global issue. In local क्लास का कोई पेपर में छापा नहीं सकते, प्रिंट करने से, बिकॉज उसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं. But the person who became a legend in the year 1992, now that person is not citing his work in only in 30 years, but if you write the name, Magnifera, he will write in dot. Still, he is living. जितना भी वर्ड रहेगा, उतना दिन मैग्नीफेरा इंडिका जितना दिन कोई काम करेगा तो everybody talk about मैग्नीफेरा इंडिका in dot, and that makes them person immortal. So you can understand. मेरा एक स्टूडेंट काम किए थे, अभी he is in Botany University now. All world people knows about his contribution in formal taxonomy. उसको पूछे तो he asked me, sir क्या बोले? हम बोले what is the meaning of discovery of single organism? Okay, so I given the lesson to them. Discovering a single organism can create millions of ideas for the future scientists. उसका बायोलॉजी देखो, उसका जेनेटिक्स देखो, उसका मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी देखो, उसका बायोकेमिस्ट्री देखो, उसका फिजियोलॉजी देखो, उसका जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग करो, क्या चाहिए? Just discovering a single organism can create millions of ideas for the future. That's the impact of discovering a single organism. J.D. Hooker, he was not a botanist, but he was a botanist. Am I right? He was a doctor. Lydia was a doctor. But डॉक्टरी करने के बाद उसके कितना दिन तक उसको लोग कोई आदमी दिमाग में रखते थे, but now you know J.B. Gupta as a botanist, isn't it? But he was a doctor. And we study botany, but we cannot think about the study of identification of certain organism, and you make it many new. Okay. You know that hobby like stem collection can become a hobby, isn't it? Coin collection can become a hobby. Why not private collection can become a hobby? Why not LD collection can become a hobby? उसके लिए पैसा लगते हैं, स्टैम्प कलेक्शन के लिए पैसा लगते हैं, कॉइन कलेक्शन के लिए बहुत सारे पैसे लगते हैं, लेकिन प्राइवेट कलेक्शन के लिए पैसा नहीं, ड्यू लगते हैं, सिर्फ इधर का ड्यू लगते हैं. What you want to get in your life. So try to divide and try to talk about it. So, yes. So during this journey, we have visited different corners of West Bengal. We have collected more than 5,000, already worked on more than 1,000, and already named 3,700 into. We named 37 into science, and right now 100 into under process. And during our visit, we have found lots of wild edible mushrooms in different places of West Bengal. Just see how brilliant and colorful. They are called as static. This is Orun. You can, the red shirt. He's right now in Goa University as a faculty. And he familiar with world taxonomy in mycology. We one with mycology. Okay. Factors. Then after getting field characters, मैं पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये थोड़ा just how to enter into the subject, okay? Just go through these are the steps, okay? So you have to take the morpho character, you have to take the micro character, then you have to go for isolation of DNA. उसके लिए भी कोई problem नहीं, वो कोई बड़ा काम नहीं है. You just take, you can even measure 50 gram, 50 milligram. उसके लिए कितना डिग्री चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? नहीं चाहिए ना? Then Google in your Google kits for DNA isolation. Okay. जो मॉलिक्यूलर करते हैं तो सोचते हैं वो क्या टैक्सोनॉमी कर रहा है. ओके. जो टैक्सोनॉमी करता है वो मॉलिक्यूलर क्या कर रहा है. But molecular can be a technique. It's a tool. Okay. But from a leaf, mango leaf, if you can say this is alfonso, this is lambda. How many days from the leaf? How many days you need to research on mango? To understand a leaf tea is acute or accumulated. Just think, a leaf tea is acute or accumulated. How many days research needed to understand when you see only a single leaf, it is acute or accumulated. But for molecular, I can tell you, you take 50 milligram, just like then kit में solution है 100 micro, then 65 degree में 5 मिनट हीट करो. इसके लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम है इसे क्यों बात. उसके बाद सॉल्यूशन भी डालो, सेंट्रीफ्यूज करो, अपर लेयर लो, एक कलम से निकाल दो. ये तो क्लास 12 का स्टूडेंट भी कर सकता है. ओके. देन यू विल गेट डीएनए लो. देयर आर सर्टेन सेगमेंट ऑफ डीएनए व्हिच इज वेरी मच फंडा for the COX2, for fungi, ITH, LSU. तो क्या करना है. डीएनए ले लिए हैं आपने, एक मशीन है उसको बोलते हैं थर्मोसाइक्लर, एंड इसमें कुछ बटन है, ओनली फ्यू बटन आते हैं. अरे मोबाइल में कितना बटन है, यू कैन डाउनलोड ऐप एनी टाइम. तो 4-5-6 बटन कैन यू हैंडल. यू कैन ओनली 10 बटन आते हैं. ओके. सो यू कैन इजीली हैंडल इट. तो उसमें प्रोग्रामिंग का वो ये मिक्सर है, वो भी बाजार से मिलते हैं. ऑर्डर दो, पैसा दो, वो घर में दे देंगे. ओके. देन यू टेक दैट मिक्सर, मिक्स इट, उसके डाल दो, प्रोग्राम करो, इतना साइकिल होगा. साइकिल के बाद वो जो सीक्वेंस है we focus on ITS. There is ITS 1 and ITS 4. So I say sequence 4, amplify it. So you will get a band like this. Okay, you will get a band like this. मिल गया वो सीक्वेंस का एम्प्लीफिकेशन हो गया एक डीएनए में पूरा जो रीजन है उसमें आईटीएस 1 आईटीएस 4 देके वो अब डीएनए सीक्वेंस को एम्प्लीफाई किए हैं देन वी गेट ए डीएनए आफ्टर गेटिंग दैट डीएनए बैंड यू जस्ट गिव इट अगेन वो लेके जाएंगे सीक्वेंस करके ऐसे डेटा भेज देंगे फिर सीक्वेंसर मशीन बहुत पैसा है लगते हैं 60 लाख 70 लाख इसका प्राइस है ये ओनली 400 रुपीज एक डीएनए एम्प्लीफाई करो उसको बोलो मेरे पास डीएनए है ले जाओ वो सीक्वेंस ऐसे भेज देंगे हो गया देन यू ब्लास्ट इट एनसीबी में जा दिस इज द सीक्वेंस एंड ब्लास्ट इट ब्लास्ट के बाद आपको मिल जाएगा क्या किसके साथ किसका सिमिलरिटी है देन यू गो फॉर क्लास्टोमेट्स ये दोनों जो सॉफ्टवेयर है इसमें यू कैन ट्रिम द सीक्वेंस ट्रिम करने के बाद देन यू make the hydrogen chain with Alexella, Mr. Base, Mega, Pom. Anything you can just go for two. Okay? But molecular biology data can be accessory data. It cannot be data is the morphological, anatomical feature that बोलते हैं molecular हम नहीं समझते हैं molecular जो बोलते हैं हम classical नहीं समझते हैं for that what happened clear. Okay, so besides this, we have already, so we have found many fungi, edible fungi. This is Drosula conadi from lateritic region. We have given name. So anybody, if they are interested to work in this particular fungi, after 1,000 years, they will put name Drosula conadi, IQAC and Acharya. Okay. Then Drosula intervenosa, these are the new to science, edible one. This is Drosula elatoritic, pseudocyanogenta. This is Drosula sinensis. And what I told you that mushroom have tremendous importance in medicine. So we have published more than 175 papers on mushroom as medicine. That is, they are strong in antioxidant. These are all publications with the mushroom. Antioxidant. Where is the light on? Upper. Okay. Antioxidant, nutritional composition is brilliant, anti-diabetic, immunostimulation, anti-cancer, antimicrobial, cardioprotective, hepatoprotective, anti-ulcer, nitric oxide synthase activation, anti-inflammatory, and in just name any disease, mushroom have the effect on that. This is the solution technology. We can be entrepreneur in mushroom cultivation technology. We can create an industry, not just mushroom selling and all this thing. We can create an industry. And today I will share a story. Today, you just invest 100 rupees. Within a month, you can convert 100 rupees to 500 rupees. एक बिजनेस मुझे दिखाओ एक बिजनेस दिखाओ जहां आप इन्वेस्ट करेंगे 100 रुपीज विदिन ए मंथ यू कन्वर्ट 100 रुपीज टू 500 रुपीज कोई बिजनेस है I'll tell you that story. I'll tell you that story of business of 50 rupees. You just sacrifice per month. Every month you will earn minimum of 20,000 rupees. घर में बैठ कैसे कर सकते हैं and कर रहा है. Okay, I'll show you that thing too. So mushroom generally we like to grow in the month of winter season. But generally mushroom grows during rainy season. But cultivation में क्यों करें? क्योंकि हमारे पास ground plug collection का कोई सेंटर नहीं है. So why not the institutes should take an initiative that they can conserve the local ground plug है. Why should we think make the tissue culture lab? क्या चाहिए कुछ नहीं. You need laminar tube. Can I get a culture of pure constitution X strain? Yes, you will get it, but you give the 5,000 rupees for culture. Everybody is selling that thing. Why not the institute can think differently? to make our germplasm collection unique. Now, spawn products and mushroom seed. Already, ma'am has shown you the mushroom seed. Mushroom seed business also a brilliant business. How much money they have taken for mushroom seed? At 100 rupees, 120 rupees, 400 rupees, like that. But I meet people on Topira. I'll show you that thing. Mushroom spawn production can make you an entrepreneur, and you can convert 100 rupees to 300 rupees within 15 days. क्या लगेगा? You take millets or wheat, boil it, then mix it with calcium sulfate and calcium carbonate, then package it. Okay, clear? Package it 200 grams of packet, autoclave it, sterilize it. After sterilization, अपने जो culture किए हैं, then make the culture in liquid one, inoculate it, and after 15 days you will get the spawn. एक स्पॉन बनाने के लिए मैक्सिमम एक पैकेट के लिए 7 रुपया लगते हैं. And I made personal entrepreneur. I'll show you that thing. During COVID time, one fellow, his background was BA pass course. Okay, he worked in my team for helping for mushroom collection, mushroom workout, and this fellow, BA pass course, know how to isolate DNA. He knows how to go for barcode. He knows the name of mushroom at the field level. But educational qualification is BA pass course. Okay, so when COVID come, I asked him क्या करना है. तो मैंने क्या किया सर, तुम तो बहुत दिन मेरा लाइफ में काम किए, so why should you think about to make an industry? Okay, so I invest 1.2 lakhs to make a laboratory in his home, and now he become the trainer, mushroom cultivation trainer. This black. Here, many colleges now going for more with this guy. Okay, and he is now earning only in 2 years. His earning is 40 to 50,000 rupees per month. Just selling of mushroom spawn. Only within 2 years. This lady actually got a job in police. So one day he left the job. He go for mushroom production unit. And he is now earning only 1 lakh per month. Just production. So that way I make more than 300 people to become entrepreneur. So in case of spawn production, do you have any idea? Say, सोचिए, we want to go for making an industry of spawn production industry. उसमें कितना business हो सकता है? 2 लाख per month, 5 lakh per month, कितना? कितना हो सकता है? 5 लाख, 10 लाख? This fellow, he is from Rajasthan, commerce graduate. He started spawn production unit in Calcutta at Botany, taking in a hand room, small room, started in 1990 people in this industry. How much? 7 crore rupees annual turnover. He can purchase us by any day. अरे क्या देते हैं कॉलेज में, तुम इधर काम करो, तुमको ज्यादा देंगे. Only 7 crore, but he is a commerce because of prestige or something else. What? एक इंडस्ट्री क्यों नहीं बना सकते? You can make an industry, but don't sell mushroom as a vegetable. You sell mushroom as a product. अरे लेना है नहीं लेना है, और take medicine to ask for more medicine. 20 rupees. How many liters of milk? Pasteurized milk cost amount 20 rupees. Pasteurized milk के 90. So if a person can fool you by selling this thing. आज ऐसा मैंने आने का टाइम में बताया इसका नाम क्या होगा. Let's mushroom be the medicine. Okay, that is the, and be healthy, eat healthy, and make your family to become healthy. That's the tagline for your industry. Make a tagline, apps करो. देखो ना कितना सारे एप्स देखे अभी घर में खाना से क्या चाहिए आपको मिल जाते हैं और we the subject specialist we know how to develop an app. We have competent of other people because young people are looking for job. कहाँ से गवर्नमेंट कितना जॉब क्रिएट करेगा कोई इंडस्ट्री कितना जॉब क्रिएट करे कल आए थे अमरावती नागपुर से अमरावती आई हैव सीन मोस्ट ऑफ द चेक पोस्ट नाउ ऑटोमेटाइज्ड मुझे दुख ही लगा पता तो कितना आदमी को जॉब था अभी उन लोगों ने कहा गया गो टू एयरफेल नाउ इट्स बिकम ऑटोमेटेड ऐसे जाके खड़ा हो जाओ ऑटोमेटिक गेट ओपन हो जाएगा तो उन लोगों का तो जॉब था उन लोगों ने कहा गया
You are coming out from your degree in this particular time, trying to think differently. One green planet is there till today describing this one. You as a member of this green planet, please try to think differently. Involve yourself because in your hand the button is there. So you have to think. Okay. Now, in case of cultivation, again another story. So cultivation, you can make 100 rupees within month, 500 rupees. So 1.5 kg of straw. कितना प्राइस लगेगा बोलो 1.5 kg स्ट्रॉ के लिए कितना लगेगा गांव का कोई है क्या मॉर्निंग में बोले 1.5 kg 3 रुपया लिख लो Do you have pen and paper? Please write it. I am giving you a calculation. Just see benefit कैसे है 2.5 kg straw 3 रुपया ओके उसमें एक घर में एक बाल्टी मिलेगा 20 लीटर का बाल्टी राइट 20 लीटर का बाल्टी नीचे क्या ओके मिल जाएगा ओके नाउ यू बिकम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर जस्ट चेक 1.5 kg of straw is 3 rupees. उसमें लगेगा 20 grams of चूना. Okay? Okay, 50 grams is comes around 120 रुपया 10 kg, 12 रुपया 1 kg, 50 grams is 60 पैसा. लिखो 60 पैसा. 10 grams of bleaching powder. 60 rupees kg, 10 gram is 60 paisa. देखो 5 ml of formaldehyde to sterilize. Formaldehyde 5 ml. Because formaldehyde can evaporate if you spray the material. It cannot stack within the straw. Okay? Highly volatile. So 5 ml formaldehyde 100 रुपया लीटर 5 ml is 50 रुपया 50 पैसा 50 पैसा. Okay? FTA 2 पॉलीथीन बैग ओके 2 पॉलीथीन बैग कितना लगेगा एक पॉलीथीन बैग 18/14 1.5 रुपया पर पीस 2-3 रुपया लिख लो हो गया तो एक स्पॉन एक पैकेज ऑफ स्पॉन 20 रुपीज लिख लिया 20 rupees. Okay. So एक पैकेज ऑफ स्पॉन से I can make 2 bag. So 1.5 kg 2 bag mean per bag 750 gram. Clear? Okay. Then and you know how to make mushroom. Madam has already shown you how to make mushroom. I'm just giving you the economics. Okay. So, and if you have any query how to prepare mushroom, talk to your ma'am. Ma'am have already shown me that she has shown you how to produce mushroom. I am just telling you the economy. Okay? तो 2 बैग में कितना खर्चा हुआ 2 बैग बनाने में 27 रुपीज ना पूरा 27 or something else. पूरा बराबर 27 थोड़ा कम है बहुत ज्यादा है 60 60 50 1.5 1.5 ना 20 रुपीज कैसे एक पूरा होता है बिजनेस में 1 पैसा मीन्स 1 पैसा कितना हुआ 3 plus 3 रुपया then 60 60 50 60 chun 60 bleaching 50 is your formaldehyde then 20 is your spawn and 1.5 and 1.5 is to polythene bag isn't it कितना हुआ अरे बिजनेस करना है 1 पैसा कितना हुआ 3 plus 20 not 227 ना so 27 rupees 70 पैसा ऐसे लगेगा और एक्स्ट्रा जो 22 एंड 30 पैसा मैं दे रहा हूँ तुम्हारा वो सब बनाने के लिए ठीक है 50 रुपीज ओके after 22 days first class will come then all the 1.5 kg का प्राइस कितना होगा if it is 200 rupees kg तो 1.5 kg का प्राइस कितना बताओ 300 रुपीज इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना बिजनेस तो हम मांग नहीं देंगे यस यू कैन नॉट ओके सो मैंने बोला 50 रुपीज में बिजनेस कर सकते हो जस्ट सी माई मॉडल मंथ डे 1 इसका भी स्नैप ले लीजिएगा जिसका इंटरेस्ट है डे 1 यू इन्वेस्ट 50 रुपीज गो बैक 1.5 kg प्रोडक्शन 300 रुपीज सेलिंग 30 days. So you invest 1 day for production and rest 29 days. You just think about marketing. कहाँ marketing करना है? वो जो posh area है उधर marketing करना है. वो जो medical shop है उसका बाजू में करना है. वो जो तुम्हारा hospital है उसका बाजू में करना है. उधर ऐसे करके पुस्तक बनाना है. Take or not, do not take. I have no problem. One day you will visit me in my home to get the material for benefit of your kid. Make tagline and then you just make the apps. Okay? Jana has suited with time because you are going to selling a elite product. This is a elite product. Okay? So next month, set whole month sacrifice. किसके पास पैसा नहीं है 50 रुपया सबके पास है ना देखो 50 रुपया में बिजनेस स्टार्ट करो ओके देन नेक्स्ट मंथ 31st डे इन्वेस्ट 300 रुपीज मेक 12 बैक यू विल गेट 9 kg 1800 रुपीज योर प्रोडक्शन सेलिंग एक पैसा भी इधर से खर्च मत करो सिर्फ 4 मंथ ओनली 4 मंथ 60 रुपीज 60 days then 1800 rupees 72 kg 54 10,800 then invest 10,800 rupees for 32 days to 324 kg of the product 64,800 end of 4th month you will get 64,800 rupees उससे 10,800 rupees next month के लिए रख दो कितना रहेगा 54,000 आपके लिए रख दो 40,000 14,000 जो होगा उसमें 2 पर्सनल ले लो एक खड़ को ऐसे ट्रक को काटेगा एक उसको भिगाएगा पैकेट बनाएगा आपके अंदर में 2 जॉब मिल गया एंड सिर्फ आपको ध्यान देना है सिर्फ सेल करने के लिए सर आपने तो बोल दिए हैं सर ये तो मजाक लग रहा है लेकिन ये क्या हो सकता है दिमाग में ऐसे चल रहा है ना थोड़ा बहुत चल रहा है कंफ्यूज वर्किंग विथ Blind Boys Academy of Narendrapur Ramakrishna Mission. Since this is my hero, while I make the model of entrepreneur of blind person. They know how to autoclave. They know how to making spawn. They know how to inoculate. They know how to inoculate without any contamination because but they don't have eye to see. Okay. Then chop the straw, making production, harvesting, and my first entrepreneur. See this person. This is Babu Ram. उसको घर से निकाल दिए थे क्योंकि जाओ थोड़ा बेगिंग करके कुछ पैसा लेके आ जाओ तो रह सकते. We have trained him. Now every day this person producing 50 to 20 kg of mushroom by himself. आप शादी किए हैं, उसका अपना घर बसाया, 2 लड़का है, 2 बच्चा भी है. He is able to produce 15 kg and he is able to produce 15 kg of mushroom every day. And in an international conference, I called him. I took him to the podium. I told all the audience, galaxy of audience, just see this person. He doesn't have eyes, that's true, but he had vision. We have eyes, but we don't have vision. That's the difference between this person and us. If a blind boy can think differently, can design his life differently, has the most able, okay? वो एक बात सोच लीजिए, then you can create the revolution. मैंने आज मॉर्निंग में बोला इधर कोई है क्या जो पेड़ में बैठेंगे वही डाल काटेंगे. किसका किसका दिमाग में बोलो, हाथ रेडियो है. जो पेड़ में जो डाल में बैठेंगे वही डाल काटेंगे, नहीं करेंगे ना. एटलीस्ट इतना दिमाग तो है हम लोगों के पास, इससे ज्यादा नहीं है, इतना तो है. तो जो यही काम किए थे कालिदास, एक बार सोच लीजिए, जस्ट काम किए हैं. अभी भी यू कैन रिमेम्बर हिज नेम कालिदास, ए बिग जिसने इतना सारे बुक लिखा है. और आप लोग उससे ज्यादा क्लेवर और इंटेलिजेंट होके भी यू कैन थिंक अबाउट टू समथिंग डिजाइन नोवेल वर्क फॉर द सोसाइटी एंड फॉर योरसेल्फ. जस्ट आस्क योरसेल्फ what you want to get in your life. That picture is not you. That's something, a structure, external structure of a human being. That picture will come. That's not you. The you is present within yourself. आज ये जो मुझे देख रहे हो, मुझे कोई स्कूल में भी लेके नहीं गया था. Enter my school. I want to be a teacher. That's my dream. I have seen Bhagwan in my life. Because of them today I am here. उस लोगों ने अपने नाक खाने के बाद भी हम लोगों को खिलाया. So I want to be a teacher because of that dream. I always stand in front of you. Because, okay, so this is the person with whom actually I make entrepreneur. So again, I don't stop here. I make industry on master. I make 300 rural people to become entrepreneurs. Now they are able to produce the functional food, dietary supplement from mushroom. This is, noodles from mushroom, pasta from mushroom, papads from mushroom, body and mushroom tea, based different functional food. You just Google it, you just see the price. You just Google mushroom tea, you can see the price. So mushroom cosmetic, anti-aging cosmetic, 4,000 rupees. एक सैसे का price है only 4,000 rupees. Antioxidant rich, anti-aging cream. Okay. This is Ganoderma. Now we are trying to cultivate medicinal mushroom. This is Ganoderma. And this is not my hardcore research work. Hardcore research, you just Google my name. You will see in which area I am working. But this is the area my heart works there. Okay. So this is medicinal mushroom, Ganoderma, 6,000 rupees kg. ये है वाइल्ड में इसका जो प्राइस है 13 lakhs per kg. ये कल्टिवेटेड के इसका प्राइस है 3 lakhs per kg. This is body shapes. Okay, now we are trying to establish body shapes. Just see this face. ये भी आप जैसे है, आपके साथ भी इसका फेस किसी के साथ मिल जाएगा. ये लोग को देखो. दिस इज तिलक मेहता महाराष्ट्र का. ये मुंबई का एक लड़का है. दिस तिलक मेहता मीन्स एक बुक, उसका एक अंकल था who is working in IT sector. आके बोला, पापा दिस इज अंकल दिस इज ए वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम राइट नाउ ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम. तो पापा अंकल एक काम कीजिए, यू जस्ट डेवलप ए ऐप जहां पे ही मेक एप्स विद डब्बा. बोलते हैं ना डब्बा वाला, तो कोई छोड़ के आया है. तो नागपुर उसका जो कंपनी का नाम है, उसका कंपनी नाम दिया है पेपर एंड पार्सल. विद इन 2 years. बट दिमाग कितना है वो भी एक बार सोच लीजिए. एक से बढ़कर दिमाग. ये जो राज साहनी है ना, समानी, probably some of you may be the follower of his TED Talk. Okay? उसको कॉलेज का टाइम में उसका टीचर बोले थे तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं होगा. You are a worthless candidate. So he left the college. Now he become the famous motivators in the TED Talk also. Okay? So if these people can think differently to change their lifestyle and life, so why shouldn't you think differently to change yourself? Why shouldn't you think differently to create a job? Again, this is my last slide as usual. I'm thankful to all of you because एक मिनट कंप्लीट होने दो, उसके बाद हम भी तालियां देंगे आपके लिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ओके, क्यों देंगे वो भी बताएंगे. कि हम भी तालियां देंगे आपके लिए, क्यों देंगे वो भी बताएंगे. I have taken one valuable part of your life. I have taken more than 1 hour. कितना टाइम दिया था? 1 hour. I have taken more than 1 hour. Kept 1 hour from your valuable part of your life, that is time. आपने मुझे टाइम गिफ्ट किए है नेक्स्ट 1 hour. तो लास्ट 1 hour. ओके, तो I have कागज for you. Take blank sheet for you. I'm keeping a blank sheet for you. Please write something. उसमें थोड़ा आपका जर्नी लिखिए. Maybe after 10 years, you are in a seminar or a conference or some other places, you are going to deliver a lecture on your success story. Maybe that time I will be in the audience. After your lecture, definitely, I'm asking you, definitely I will jump from my seat. I'll give a big clap for you. Well done, my dear friends. With that goal, with that objective, we always stand in front of you and try to motivate you what to do, what not to do. And feel lucky enough that you have taken a subject, all biology student, state of lifestyle student. Feel lucky enough that you have selected a subject bio. क्यों सर? अरे क्लास में किसको रोल नंबर 1 किसका है? जो बेस्ट इसका रोल नंबर 1 है ना? Isn't it? Who comes first? Best come first. Okay? Now you just see. Biochemistry, who comes first? Biotechnology, who comes first? Bioinformatics, who comes first? Biophysics, who comes first? और बोले क्या? So, if that subject, now the era of biology, you are choosing a subject that's biology. So try to rule the subject because subject अभी देखो केमिस्ट्री आ रहा है, मैथमेटिक्स आ रहा है, स्टैटिस्टिक्स आ रहा है, इंफॉर्मेटिक्स सिस्टम आ रहा है. टू वर्क इन बायोलॉजी, क्विज द बायोलॉजी, वो हम लोग बोलेंगे आओ ले जाओ, हमारे घर में बहुत सारे आए ले जाओ. Why shouldn't you think differently to design your subject and to think differently. इधर कोई फिजिक्स का जाएगा, आप देख के बोल ही देंगे अरे ये लड़का लड़की फिजिक्स का है, कोई बायोलॉजी का जाएगा ऐसे कर, वो भी देख के मालूम हो जाएगा ये बायोलॉजी का है, और किसी ने नहीं मिला अभी लेने के लिए मिला बॉटनी. So don't think that way you are lucky enough that you got a subject like biology in your career. I did biotechnology, but I never tell I am a biotechnology. Biotechnology helps me to design my research, but I am a botanist. I am a botanist, scientist of the country. Think differently, do something good. And so don't think outside the box. Lead outside the box. Okay? Thank you very much. This is my, you can take snap of this one. So you can follow me in ResearchGate, you can follow me in this Google Scholar, and if you face any problem, you can call me anytime you like to. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable guidance. So very today, the result of the Dr. Acharya sir, my answer is correct. Now I will just Dr. Jenkin debate for me.
I think I can get you good. That's a very good Maharaj. And the founder president of our education society, Dr. Sanjay Rawal, was at the group. Now, today's guest speaker, the eminent personality, Dr. Acharya sir, the guest of honor, Dr. Vankade sir, the head department of botany, Kokatan ma'am, coordinator, RAC, research committee, Dr. Kochi sir, all the faculty members of botany department, head of the departments of other subject, and dear students. आपण खूप सारे गेस्ट लेक्चरला ऐकलं असेल, खूप सारे प्रेझेंटेशन बघितले असेल, आपण इथे खूप लोकांना ऐकलेलं आहे. पण आजचं जे प्रेझेंटेशन होतं ते आपल्याला आतून कुठेतरी असं जाणवलं असेल की त्या माणसाची एनर्जी काय आहे. त्यांनी जे रिसर्च केलं इट्स अपार्ट other than we can say his research and different thing. पण त्यांना तुमच्याशी जे कनेक्ट व्हायचं होतं ती जी एनर्जी होती त्यातनं आपल्याला काय मिळालेलं आहे किंवा आपल्याला काय त्यातनं मिळवायचं आहे. मित्रांनो, सरांनी जे म्हटलं की प्रत्येक टीचरला एक प्रश्न पडतो की माझ्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी जेव्हा तो विचारतो की आफ्टर दिस व्हॉट इज फॉर मी इन दिस वर्ल्ड, बरोबर आहे की